Hi and welcome to my Python YouTube channel. It's awesome to have you here. If you like this video, a thumbs up would be great. And make sure to subscribe for future videos. I also have a blog at prosperacoder.com with lots of cool stuff, so feel free to check it out. Today we'll be talking about using Pandas MultiIndex for multidimensional data. Now we can use the multi-index for multidimensional data. Here's our example from the previous two parts of this series. So we import numpy and pandas. Now here we have the tuples used as indices. Here's the list of sales expressed in thousands of dollars. Now here we create a series object, and here we create a multi-index, and we use the fromTuples method to do that. And now we re-index the series object. So at this point we have this, a multi-index series object. So now let's convert the series to a data frame. Let's also make clear what sort of data the column contains. So here is our data frame. You have sales, very clear. And now what if we wanted to add one more dimension to the data frame? For example, annual purchases. We can do it like so. Let's define the purchases as P, and let's add the purchases column. So, data frame, here's the first column and here's the second column. Let's print it out. And now we have two columns, sales and purchases. You can also use all the ufuncs you know from numpy with multi-index. Let's calculate the difference between the sales and purchases, for example. So, sales minus purchases. And what we get is this. So, as you can see, 125 minus 44 is 81. 211 minus 72 is 139, and so on. And this will look even better if we unstack it. So now we have a data frame. It really looks better. Now this works the same for higher dimensional data. Okay, that's it for this video. If you like it, a thumbs up would be great. Also, make sure to subscribe for future videos. If you want to leave a comment or ask a question, you're welcome to do so. Thanks for watching.